Exercise 4. Right? Rearrange the following words to make meaningful sentences. Words have been mixed up. Write them in the correct order. Rearrange. හරි පිළිවෙලට හදන්න ඕනේ. Rovini again. Now exercise 4. Number 1.
Raj goes to school in the morning.
Very good. Raj, R capital. Huh? Raj goes to school in the morning. Okay. Number 1. R capital. Huh? Raj goes to school in the morning. Number 2.
Let us make a compass.
Let us make a compass. Right? Let us can let's කියන එක. Let us make a compass. Compass කියන්නේ මාලිමාව. මාලිමාවක් හදමු. මාලිමාව. හරි. Number 3.
Sagara is my best friend.
Sagara is my best friend. Sagara S capital lah. Sagara. Sagara is my best friend. Number 4.
They are in the classroom.
Oh, they, capital T. They are in the classroom. They are. They are in the classroom. Wait. They are in the classroom. Number 5 is a question. What are your initials?
Initial.
What are your
Initial.
Initials කියන්නේ අதான் what are right? What are your initials? What are your initials? Then ABC Silva. ABC කියන්නේ initials. PW පසින්දු මොකක් හරි. ඒතර PW කියන්නේ initial කියන්නේ නම මොනවද? අර මුල් ලකුරු කියන නමේ initials කියන්නේ මුල් ලකුරු. අර applications එකේම තියෙන name with initials. forms වලම තියෙන fill කරද්දි name with initials කියන්නේ මුල් ලකුරු සමග නම. initials කියන්නේ මොනවද? මොන ලකුරුද? මුල් ලකුරු. හරි? Number 6.
Students go to school on foot.